Thank God for every other person succeeding. I'm walking on my lane. I'm not in a competition. I'm walking on my lane. My lane may be slow, but I know this is my lane. I've told you before that if you are in the wrong direction, speed is not an advantage. It takes encounter to isolate purpose. And then number 3, when you receive encounter, you will receive the empowerment for your destiny. Everybody needs to carry something. Nobody succeeding is empty. Don't be deceived. They will tell you if you are intelligent is enough. It's a lie. There is a level you get to in life. Spirits will appear to you and ask you, who granted you access to this realm? How did you get here? Because every dimension and every cadre have gatekeepers. You will think money is just I worked, I gain salary. The day you get 1 billion, you will see the prince that negotiate the souls of men. Because 1 billion comes with influence, and that influence can determine the destiny of many.